Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome to the Well channel. Today I'm going to show you how to register on Discord. Open your browser and type Discord in the address bar. You can go straight to the website like this. But if the site doesn't load, just type Discord like this and click the open button right here. Click here, you need an account, click register. Enter your email address and come up with a display name. Now enter a username and create a password. Enter your date of birth here and click create account. Well, I already have accounts everywhere, so it might not work for me. Yeah. After clicking the create account button, a code will be sent to your email, you enter it, and the account is created. I already have an account on every email, so I can't create one, but I'll try anyway. Oh, it worked? Look, you don't even need a code. There you go. And that's all for today. This was Well. Like and subscribe to the channel. See you later.